The story of Fidgety Philip. This poem is about a boy who is very naughty. He does not listen to his parents' instructions. In this poem, you will see what happens when his mom, dad, and he were sitting at the dining table to have their dinner. Children, see, the whole dinner has been laid on the table and they are about to start the dinner. So let us read the story. Let me see if Philip can be a little gentleman. Papa bol. These lines have been spoken by father. It means, let me see. देखता हूँ कैसे ये जेंटलमैन बनता है. Means he is never a gentleman. Philip never behaves like a gentleman. Let me see if he is able to sit still for once at table. ये एक बार भी क्वाइटली, स्टिल क्या होता है? क्वाइटली, शांति से टेबल पे कभी बैठता है मैं देखता हूँ. मीन्स ही नेवर सिट्स क्वाइटली, calmly on the table for once, and he never behaves like a gentleman. ये पापा उसका, these 4 lines have been spoken by Philip's dad. Thus Papa bade Phil behave. Bade means told. It is the second form of bid. Bid, bade, bidden. Papa told Philip to behave properly, sit properly. And Mama looked very grave. Mama is also very serious. Otherwise, Mama is always very lenient. She always tolerates whatever children do. But now the Mama is also very serious that he should behave like a gentleman. Both of them were upset because he wasn't sitting properly. But Fidgety Phil, he won't sit still. वो शांति से नहीं बैठेगा. Still क्या होता है? Calm, quiet. He wriggles and giggles. Wriggles means he moves his body. अपनी बॉडी को आगे पीछे हिलाई जा रहा है. He is moving his body from side to side and he is laughing without any reason. Giggle कर रहा है. ऐसे हंसी जा रहा है. And then I declare, swings backwards and forwards. Swings means moves. He's moving backward and forward and tilts up his chair. आप आगे पीछे हो रहा है और साथ में चेयर को भी आगे पीछे कर रहा है. टिल्ट क्या होता है? हिला रहा है. टिल्ट कर रहा है मीन्स स्लांटिंग सी बना रहा है. लाइक दिस, इंक्लाइंड सी हो जाती है ना, टेढ़ी सी. ही इज मूविंग हिज चेयर एज वेल एज forward and backward. He is also doing the same, and the chair is also moving, just like any rocking horse. चेयर को क्या बना लेता है वो? रॉकिंग हॉर्स. लकड़ी का घोड़ा होता है ना, आगे पीछे बच्चे करते हैं, तो चेयर को उसने घोड़ा बना लिया. ही इज मूविंग इट फॉरवर्ड एंड बैकवर्ड. Philip, I am getting cross. I am getting intolerant now, impatient now. I can't bear now. You sit quietly. Don't move. See the naughty, restless child. This child, Philip, is naughty. He is very restless also. Growing still more rude and wild. He doesn't listen to the parents' advice. He does not listen to the parents' instructions. They are saying, be quiet, eat quietly, sit properly, behave properly, be a gentleman. But ये बच्चा जो है और भी ज़्यादा rude and wild हो रहा है. Wild means indisciplined. Is becoming more naughty now, more disobedient and rude to the parents. When you don't obey to your parents, you become rude to them. नहीं उनकी कहना मानते तो it means you are rude to your parents. नहीं सुनता है. Till his chair falls over quite, Philip screams with all his might. Till, तब तक वो रॉकिंग हॉर्स की तरह चेयर को हिलाता रहता है जब तक कि चेयर उसके ऊपर नहीं गिर जाती. And Philip cries with all his might. Loudly वो cry करता है with all his strength. Help me! And he falls down. जब तक वो गिरता नहीं तब तक मूविंग करता रहता है. Now Children, let us see what happens when he falls down. Catches at the cloth, means tablecloth. He catches hold of the tablecloth. When you fall down, you want some sport. गिरते हो तो कुछ पकड़ना चाहते हो ना, तो जब ये गिरता है तो he just tries to save himself by catching hold of the tablecloth. उसको पकड़ लेता है. But then that makes matters worse again. And then the things got worse. They became bad to worse. The situation became bad to worse. और भी ज़्यादा खराब बात हो गई. क्यों, क्या हो गया? Down upon the ground they fall. Glasses, plates, knives, forks, and all. Everything that was laid on the table by mom. मम्मा ने क्या सजा के रखा था डाइनिंग टेबल पे? Glasses, plates, knives, and forks, and everything fell down along with Philip. Oh, Mama did fret and frown. No, Mama was very angry. She fretted and frowned. She was very upset and angry when she saw them tumbling down. Mama, crockery is very dear to Mama. मम्मा को क्रॉकरी बहुत अच्छी लगती है ना, तो सारी क्रॉकरी नीचे गिर जाती है. जब उसने देखा, them means all the glasses, plates, knives, forks, everything falling down. She became very angry. She became very angry when everything fell down. And Papa made such a face. Papa made a very bad face. Philip is in sad disgrace. Now Philip is also very much insulted. Earlier he wasn't listening to parents. Now when he fell down, he must have been feeling very much insulted. It was a disgrace to him. Where is Phil? Where is he? Where is Phil? दिख ही नहीं रहा वो. Fairly covered up, you see? The tablecloth covered him up. Everything was on him. Now he was not seen anymore. Cloth and all were lying on him. He has pulled down all upon him. He has taken sport of the tablecloth. It had come along with the plates and glasses. Everything fell down on the ground. What a terrible to do. It was a terrible thing he has done, because all the plates, the whole dinner was destroyed. It was spoiled. Here a knife, there a knife. There was a mess in the dining area. There was a mess. कोई knife इधर पड़ा है, कोई fork उधर पड़ा है. They were all scattered here and there. Everything, all the knives and forks were scattered here and there. Phil, this is cruel work. It was a very bad thing which he has done. It was a cruel work because he has been very rude to the parents. He has been very rude to parents, and now see what a terrible thing he has done. The whole dinner is spoiled. It has been destroyed. It is now lying on the floor. Table is all bare, uncovered, no cloth, nothing is on table. Dishes, this slide is left, I think. Dishes, glasses snapped in two. All the dishes and glasses, they were broken. All the glasses, all the dishes were broken now in pieces. So, here a knife, there a fork, everything was scattered and lying spread on the floor. There was a whole mess over there. Philip, this is cruel work. Table also bare and all. Poor Papa and poor Mama look quite cross. They were all upset. They were all worried now, and they were wondering. They were not thinking. They were wondering how they shall have their dinner now. The whole dinner he has spoiled, and they were all helpless creatures. Both Mama and Papa, they could not find out how they will have dinner now, because the whole dinner is destroyed. It is spoiled. It has fallen on the ground. And now Mama has to do a lot of work to clean up all the things. Then she has to prepare the dinner again. See, children, what lesson do you learn from the story, from this poem? We learn the lesson that we should behave properly. We should listen to our parents' instructions. We should listen to our parents' advice, because whatever advice they give to us is always for our welfare, for our benefit. They would always advise us for our good. So children, I think In future, you will always obey to your parents. You will always listen to your parents and teachers. Thank you, children. Read it and enjoy the lesson.